Now this beautiful bad boy right here is the Neewer NW-700 microphone. The label covers the box, but you see, NW-700. Pretty straightforward box. Open from here will do. Yep, professional series condenser microphone. All right, let's go ahead and open from here like they said so. And inside we have recording microphone information, cardioid pattern, and frequency response. All right, put that aside. We've got a customer service card. Yep, put that aside. We got your windscreen or pop filter. All right, we've got your XLR to 3.5 millimeter, right? That will plug into your microphone and plug into your, plug into your microphone and plug into your sound card or computer, laptop, depending on how you have it set up. Then we have this is the microphone mount, shock mount. Yep, you squeeze that here. And you see it open up, and that's where you drop your microphone in there, right? So, speaking of microphone, let's grab the mic. All right. Looks very similar to the toner mic. I'm all but certain that they're all manufactured in the same warehouse and just rebranded. Might have a couple of things different on the inside. When we do a little sound test, we'll find out if it actually does sound better. If it does, based on what I've seen on other channels, it might be a slight difference in sound, but won't be night or day. But you never know. You never know. It is 2020, going into 2021. So we might. You never know. There we go. Screw that down. That will mount to your scissor arm microphone mount. There we go. And then, as I said, at the bottom of the microphone, got your XLR cable. That will line up 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and should snap right into place. There we go. Nice secure fit. Press down to release it. And there we go. And I think it looks good like this, but if you want to put the windscreen on it, there you go. Nice little microphone afro. Ha! There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and hook this thing up really quick, and we're going to do a sound test and see how this thing sounds. What's up, everybody? It's Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media, and I'm back with another microphone video. Not really a comparison yet. I'm just testing microphone video test. There we go. This is another microphone video test, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is test number 5. Test number 5. And what am I testing this time? I am testing the Neewer NW-700. I know it looks pretty much exactly like this bad boy, the Toner BM700. Neewer NW-700, Toner BM700. Same manufacturer, different label? I don't know. But if that be the case, which one sounds better? Let's find out. Let's go ahead and get into this and compare it to my G50 built-in microphone and see what this bad boy sounds like by itself. And maybe, just maybe, we'll go ahead and do a comparison to the BM700. Or maybe we'll save that for later. I don't know. Right now, we're just going to go ahead and just do a comparison of this microphone to that microphone, the Canon G50 built-in. But really quickly, I got this microphone, I want to say maybe $15, give or take. I'm not sure, something like that, but I'll put a link in the description, and I'll put a screenshot up of what I paid for it right there. And I'll also link to my other videos that I'm doing microphone test on too. This microphone is a cardioid microphone, unidirectional, meaning it picks up from one side only. It usually is the side that the label's on. If I was to turn the microphone away from me and talk, my audio would be really low. it'll be really high or better if I turn this way. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. But before I do that, just want to show you, you've seen in the unboxing everything it comes with. It comes with the shock mount, microphone holder, shock mount right there. Nice smooth velvety type soft material. Well, not velvety, but foam cushiony type material. And it comes with a XLR cable, XLR to 3.5 millimeter if you want to plug into your laptop or computer. I'm not going to, excuse me, I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to plug mine directly into my Tascam DM60 MK2 audio recorder. I'm going to plug mine directly into that. So let's go ahead and mount this microphone really quick. Facing me, plug in my XLR cable that's plugged into my Tascam. Let's go ahead and see. Hope I don't mess anything up here, but let's find out, right? We'll find out together. Because we're family, we're a team. Plug in. Good, there we go. Hopefully it's working. Test, test. Yep. Audio test, test, test. Yes. Okay. Okay, so that's my Neewer plugged in to my Tascam DM60 MK2 audio recorder. How does it sound? Does it sound that much better than the Canon G50? I don't know. You tell me. What I'm going to do is while I'm talking, I'm going to bounce between the G50 and the NW-700 and see which one sounds better. I did say NW-700 before, right? Or did I confuse it with the BM700 of the toner? Same mic, same look, just change the call letters, right? Just change the first letter. I don't know, but does this Neewer microphone sound good? I have a lot of Neewer products and they've never let me down. So hopefully this Neewer microphone sounds good. Hopefully it sounds better than the microphone in the G50. But is it good? And let me go ahead and turn it. Like I was saying with the cardioid pattern, let me turn the microphone around. Is my audio getting lower? I'm not trying to change my voice. I'm not trying to change how hard I talk. Is it lower? Is it quieter? I don't know. And I'm going to turn it back facing me. And just in case you're wondering, I have the gain on my Tascam audio recorder set at -12 dB. That seems to be the standard of audio recording. So, well, audio recording without causing a spike and causing distortion. That seems to be the limit with these microphones that use 48 volts of phantom power. So, does it sound better? Or do you like the sound of the Canon G50 built-in microphone? Or even your microphone, whatever DSLR or camcorder or whatever system you're using to record audio, is the audio good in your system? I don't know. But let's talk about this too. This also comes with the NW-700. It is a pop filter windscreen, I guess. If I put that on, does it make a difference? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Does it make a difference? Let's see. Let me try this. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Can you tell the difference? If you can, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you like the sound of this Neewer NW-700. Does it sound really good considering the price? Because I know there's a lot more microphones out there that are way more expensive, but is the audio worth the cost? Is the audio in here better than the G50 audio? You let me know in the comments, please. I'm trying to keep these videos short so we can get through them, and also to help you make an informed decision just listening to the sound as I'm bouncing back and forth. Anyway, I'm doing this in real time. I have not listened to this yet. When I go ahead and edit this video and put it up, I mean, of course, I'll be able to hear it and make my decision, but I'm going to assume that the NW-700 sounds better than the Canon G50 built-in microphone. So you guys, please let me know in the comments, and I'll get ready to have another video for you guys coming in the next couple of weeks, or next couple of days, rather. And yeah, this is Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media, and I'll see you with the next microphone test.